You must have seen a number of videos on internet which talk about the health benefits or health hazards of a number of eatables or items to drink. But have you ever heard about something that has no benefits? In fact, no benefits but only harms. Today we are going to talk about such a thing that has only harmful effects without providing even a single benefit. We call them as soft drinks, cola drinks, carbonated beverages, or even cold drinks in some countries. Yes, after watching this video, you will agree with me that in fact these drinks, they have no nutrients, no benefits, and only harmful effects. That too not just one, several harmful effects. And after watching this video, I'm sure you will never like to have a glass of cold drink. Whenever you go somewhere as a guest, you prefer a soft drink over a glass of water, or when you are traveling, you prefer to pick up a bottle of soft drink instead of a water bottle, or in parties you always prefer soft drinks, and these carbonated beverages, they are very popularly used, consumed, and cherished. So today we are going to talk about their harmful effects based on scientific evidence. These are not my own opinions, these are all backed by proper scientific research. So here these are. Number one, people who take soft drinks regularly with their meals, they end up adding 17% extra calories to their diet, and this increases the risk of obesity. Point number two, in these soft beverages, they use sucrose to add taste to it, and out of sucrose, glucose gets metabolized, but the fructose component of it goes straight to the liver and gets converted to fat. This fat comes back in blood and increases the level of triglycerides and cholesterol. And this increase in triglycerides increases the risk of heart diseases. Point number three, due to increase in the triglycerides and fat, this increases the risk of fatty liver disease. I'm sure you have already heard this word, fatty liver disease, and this is the root cause of several other diseases in humans. Scientific studies on humans have found that when soft drinks, soft beverages were given to human participants, almost 100% of them developed fatty liver disease, of which 20% people developed severe fatty liver disease. Point next, because of increased fat synthesis from fructose, this fat that gets deposited at various sites in human body, particularly it increases belly fat. So many people who are obese, they want to get rid of belly fat, but they do not understand that these soft drinks, they are a prominent factor behind their increase in belly fat. High free sugar, increased belly fat, increased triglycerides, increased weight or obesity, all these, they increase the risk of insulin resistance, which significantly increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. It has been found in scientific studies that consumption of 1 can of soda every day increases the risk of diabetes by 1%. These soft drinks, they increase sugar level, they increase the risk of diabetes, they increase triglycerides, they increase low density lipoproteins, and all these cumulatively increase the risk of heart diseases. In a scientific study, it was found that people who consumed one sugar drink every day, one soft beverage drink every day, they had a 20% higher risk of dying because of heart diseases. These carbonated beverages, they have acids in them. The major ones are phosphoric and carbonic acid. Because of the presence of these acids, they deteriorate the enamel of teeth. And it is even more interesting to note that these beverages also have sugar. So as soon as the acid decays dental enamel, bacteria grow on sugar and they deteriorate the dental health even further. They do not have purines, but the free sucrose in them is very well known to increase the level of uric acid and hence the risk of gout or joint pain. The extra sugar present in these beverages that gives a sugar spike, and this sugar spike has been linked with dementia and Alzheimer's disease. Soft beverages also increase the risk of depression. In a study conducted in Korea, it was found that the women who took 4 cans of soft drinks per day, they were at a 30% increased risk of depression. Soft beverages increase the risk of cancer. In a scientific study conducted on 60,000 humans, it was found that individuals who consumed more than 2 soft drinks per day, they had 87% increased risk of pancreatic cancer. In another scientific study, it was found that people who consumed 100 ml of soft beverages per day, they had a general increase in cancer risk by 18%. If that was not sufficient, another study conducted on 5 lakh European people found that individuals who consumed 2 glasses of soft drinks per day, they had a 50% increased risk of dying because of diseases. And the last point, that soft beverages, aerated beverages, sugar drinks, they have no nutrients in them. They have zero nutritional value. And you would agree with me that in a number of countries, the price of 1 liter of a soft beverage is much lesser than the price of 1 liter of mineral water. And from that, you can understand how difficult it is to make mineral water in comparison to a soft beverage. I'm sure after this you will take a pledge that you will never consume soft drinks in your life, or you will severely restrict the use of these soft drinks. And in case you have liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to this channel. And to have more health tips based on scientific evidence, keep watching Food Science and Health. Thank you.